Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to solve duplicate contacts on iPhone. If you have duplicate contacts on your iPhone, it can be due to syncing with multiple accounts or importing contacts from different sources. Here's how to find and resolve duplicate contacts. In iOS 16 and later, there's a built-in feature to help you find and merge duplicate contacts. Open the Contacts app, go to All iCloud to ensure all contacts are visible. If duplicates are found, you should see an option to merge duplicate contacts in the Contacts app. Follow the prompts to merge them. Now, to manually merge duplicates, open the Contacts app, find and open one of the duplicated contact entries. Tap Edit in the top right corner, scroll down, and choose Link Contacts. Find the duplicate contact you want to merge with, and choose it. Tap Link to merge the contacts, then tap Done. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve duplicate contacts on your iPhone and keep your contact list organized. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.